Today, I would like to describe the proper setup and use of the Hornady cam-lock bullet puller. It consists of a die body, caliber specific collet. Today we're using the 270, and the plunger, which is used to close the collet around your bullet. You'll need an Allen wrench to tighten down your lock ring. You do have to buy a separate collet for each caliber. Let's go ahead and get this put together so that you know how to assemble yours. You take your die body. You insert your collet into the die body. Place your plunger next. Take your Hornady cam lock handle and thread it into your die body. And the way this works is when you've got the proper tension and you close your handle, it closes that collet around the bullet. Like so. Now let me show you the proper way to install this into your press so that you can install yours. What you need to do is thread this into your press. And just thread it to where it's flush with the bottom of your press. You want to place your shell into the shell holder like so. Raise the ram until the bullet enters the body just short of the casement. Lower your handle and rotate, holding the die body, rotate until you feel it touch your bullet. Raise your handle, turn the body a 1/4 inch more. Adjust your lock ring and tighten. And now you are ready to start pulling bullets. With your shell into the shell holder, raise the ram until it enters the collet, just short of touching the case mouth. Lower your handle and adjust for the right amount of tension. Tighten the ring down. For a tighter tension, adjust the handle clockwise. For less tension, counterclockwise. So now that you've got it tightened down, lower the ram and the bullet should dislodge itself. Raise your handle and the bullet comes out. Let's go ahead and continue with the other 4 that I have to show you how quickly this can be achieved. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll catch you on the flip side.